All right, those are just my wings and drumsticks that I placed in my air fryer, just like so. We're just separating them so that they're not fully touching. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with my olive oil and we're gonna drizzle our wings and drumsticks with some olive oil. We're gonna be very generous because we want these to be nice and crispy. Beautiful. I'm gonna season up with a little bit of black pepper. This is gonna be such a great game day hack. Wings in the air fryer doesn't get any better than that. We're gonna add some sea salt because salt makes everything better, more flavorful. Beautiful. Of course, we're doing some garlic powder. Garlic makes everything truly better. Oh my goodness. Okay, get these nice and seasoned. We want them to be very flavorful. Beautiful. Last but not least, we're gonna do some smoked paprika. Now I have no clue what the difference between smoked paprika is and regular, but the recipe called for smoked, so that's what we're using.
I didn't even know they sold smoked paprika.
All right, that looks absolutely perfect. We're gonna go ahead and pop our drawer into our air fryer. We're gonna turn this on. We're gonna air fry it at 400 for 15 minutes. Ooh, yeah. Now while those are cooking, I'm gonna grab half a stick of melted butter, and in our butter, we're gonna add some honey. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of honey. You can do less or more depending on the sweetness factor that you like. That looks about like 1.5. And then we're gonna add our low sodium soy sauce. I absolutely love soy sauce and I can never tell the difference between the low sodium and the regular, so might as well use the low sodium. Now more garlic, yep, call me crazy. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of garlic into our butter mixture. And last but not least, you can skip this if you don't like the heat, but my family loves it. We're gonna add some sriracha in there. Just a few little squirts should be more than enough. Grab your whisk and it's time to mix this together. Oh my, look how good that looks. Now, if you want a thicker sauce, you just pop this in the fridge so that that butter can kind of thicken up a little bit, but I think this is gonna be absolutely perfect for our wings. So now we just wait until those are ready. All right, so it's been 15 minutes on 400 and we did flip them halfway and seasoned the other side when we flipped them. So they're seasoned both sides. We're gonna go ahead and grab our sauce and our brush, and we're gonna go ahead and brush these babies. Oh my. Best way to do wings. Better than Wingstop if you ask me, because you know what you're getting, you know what's in it, and they're tasty.
Yeah, you made it yourself.
All right, and we're just drenching these in the sauce. We're gonna do a few layers so that we can really get these coated, but let's go ahead and get that done. All right, that looks perfect. And now last but not least, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds on here. It's optional, it just adds to all of the flavors that we got going on in there. Okay, these wings are ready to eat. Let's go ahead and serve them. Okay, these are ready. They look absolutely delicious, you guys. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for this drum right here. I'm gonna try a leg. Wow. So flavorful, perfectly cooked. It's delicious, you guys.